Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Do I look as tired as I feel? Probably. By the time this is up, I will know whether I have been in the Christmas parade or have not been in the Christmas parade. But right now, I don't know, and it's tonight. So we're just gonna get ready for a Christmas parade that I may or may not be in. But if I'm not in it, I'm gonna be watching, so like, it'll be nice to have Christmassy makeup on. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start with my eyes because I have an idea, but it might be a little messy. I don't know if it'll turn out. I don't know if any looks will ever turn out, but we're gonna attempt. Again, I'm going to attempt. You sit back, relax, get some candy, chocolate, breakfast, lunch, dinner. You smoke weed, go smoke some weed. You do you. Okay, so to start, I am going to prime my eyes. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Concealer in C5. Whoa, there's a lot of sparkles on this brush. My very clean brushes. I swear I have more than just Jeffree Star cosmetic makeup, but I am going in with Blood Sugar, because Christmas, red, blood, you know, those all go together. Cherry Soda. First I'm going in with the James Charles Morphe. I have the plastic this time. I'm gonna go in with Social Blade, also mix in Daddy. Yep. Going to grab the concealer again. Go in with the classic Primavera, I can't read that one. My trusty dusty, it's not dusty. Adding in a little bit of fresh meat from the Blood Sugar palette. That orange cat is back, and I hate everything. So I'll be right back while I make sure my cat is alright, because someone is in her territory.
One eternity later.
And I'm back. And I brought my cat. Stupid cat. Not her. Orange cat outside. I have two black cats. I've never hated an animal. I still haven't. I just dislike this cat. Oh no, this is Nana's house. You're just a bodyguard, aren't you? Okay, I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. Jesus! Mascara! I'll be right back while I do this eyeball.
2,000 years later.
Hello, welcome back. They're relatively the same. Sure. Okay, now I'm gonna do face makeup. So, using Neutrogena, because that's all I use. I can't remember if I said this before, but I got this one in Australia, and it's a different consistency. I don't have the I usually get here, which is like a blue gel cream, whereas this one's just like a normal white moisturizer. And it's literally the exact same Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream, but I don't know, man. And I'm going in with The stuff smells amazing. For Solly, whatever you're doing, keep it up. Then going in with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation like normal. Put some concealer on. I'm gonna take this. This is so old. This should be thrown out and pour this. Some eyeshadow to the bottom. Definitely got eyeshadow in my contact on it, not in it. I'm gonna add Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Eyes watering. No! Gonna go in with Rimmel London 107. That's all I got.
That's not good enough!
It's on my teeth. I want to add a little bit of like gold. That's me trying to get it off because I didn't like it. Finishing touches. Okay, that's the finished look, I guess. I actually don't hate it, which is shocking. I hope you know this whole time I was just looking at myself when I could easily, oh, see that little piece? Love it. Cool. That works. Now I don't remember what I was talking about. Is that shocking? And my hot chocolate is now just cold chocolate. Anyways. It's Mike.
It's Mike. Anyway.
I'm exhausted. Recently I had a 15-hour sleep and that was the best thing ever. And then last night, I had maybe a 4 or 5 hour. It's not the same. Especially because I woke up because someone phoned the house. Rude. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you want to. I'm not gonna force you. Comment below, what's your favorite Christmas activity? There. Comment below and answer that question. What's your favorite Christmas activity? Not necessarily on Christmas, but family traditions, friend traditions. Let me know. I'm gonna go have breakfast or something, or heat up my hot chocolate. That sounds like a good plan. So, see you in my next video. Bye.